Hello everybody, this is Morgan Meggs here at Lexus of Jacksonville, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the dynamic radar cruise control in your Lexus. With that being said, let's get into the video. Setting your radar cruise control will be different depending on the model of your Lexus. Here, we'll walk through the 3 different ways to set your radar cruise control in all Lexus models. This is how to set cruise control in Lexus models with a cruise control stalk towards the right of your steering wheel. This is how you're going to set cruise control in Lexus models with steering wheel controls. And this is how to set cruise control in new Lexus interface models. Canceling cruise with a stalk is a simple pull towards you. Canceling cruise with steering wheel controls is done by pressing cancel. Increasing and decreasing speed with a stalk is a push up or down. Increasing and decreasing speed with steering wheel controls is done by pressing your plus or minus. Setting the following distance is done by pressing this button in most Lexus models and this button in Lexus interface models during cruise control. Turning on and off steering assist is done by pressing this button in most Lexus models and this button in all Lexus interface models. While cruise control is set, this screen lets us know our lane centering is active and our distance is set to a 3 or the furthest distance. Your radar cruise control will automatically keep you a safe distance from you and the vehicle in front of you by mirroring their speed. Steering assist will find the center of your lane and keep you there, making adjustments in your steering wheel even if there are no road lanes. However, you do still have to keep your hands on the wheel. As an added new benefit, most Lexus models come standard with curve speed reduction. This system automatically slows your Lexus when approaching a turn at high speeds. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today's video on using the dynamic radar cruise control in your Lexus. Please give us a call or stop by Lexus of Jacksonville today with any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching.